Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a compatible phone and your Google account. First, enable microphone and location permissions in settings so Assistant can hear and contextualize requests. Next, open Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google," or long pressing Home. If prompted, follow the voice match setup so it recognizes you. Make sure voice match is trained now, because once done it unlocks personal results and device control. From here, test a simple command like "What's the weather?" to confirm everything. Once Assistant responds, link services that matter. Open Settings, choose Services, and connect Spotify or your calendar so you can play music and manage events by voice. Then set default apps for navigation and media in Preferences to avoid prompts. For more efficiency, create routines. Combine actions like turning on lights, reading calendar events, and starting a playlist with one command. Make sure to name routines clearly. You'll save time and avoid repetition when you trigger them in daily use. Finish by using Assistant for daily tasks. Set timers, send messages, control smart plugs, or make hands-free calls to build muscle memory. If Assistant misses you, check microphone access and adjust hot word sensitivity in settings. Retrain voice match to improve recognition. Also keep the Google app updated and restart the device if responses lag. If something still fails, unlink and relink a problematic service or reinstall the Assistant app. A quick retrain or update usually fixes most issues and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.